What's the date? It's about the, was it? The day after the eclipse, whatever that is. New toy day. Finally bought a decent dehumidifier. Still moving in with it, but what we got here? Hang on. There she goes. A Mako ATAT 2. See how she runs. But nature of the beast, an old stone cottage on the coast. Humidity. So before I bring any musical instruments in, better dry her out. Been empty for about a year, so I'm a newbie to this, but it strikes me that a year empty means the walls are absolutely saturated. So it's going to take a while to dry out. I've had a small dehumidifier on, but it's helped. It's taken the edge off. But this, apparently, according to YouTube, is the Rolls Royce. So one house, all doors open. Let's see what it does. Let's give it a couple of days. And let's be honest, while that's doing that, it's the perfect time for a cup of tea. Hottest day of the year, I think, apparently. Not so much down here. We're it's coastal. Damp cottage. But it's looking pretty good. Sun's just going down. It's a beautiful beautiful sunset. Sun's just dipped behind the horizon. Otherwise, you just see it by there. But here we are. Let's have a look around the garden. Excuse me while I extend you. They've been out haymaking while it's all cut and baled up over the last week. And I've been on a trimmed down a few bushes, just let a bit of light and air in, because it's, as I said, it's been empty for 12 months. No real maintenance on the grounds, so heat wave combined. It's all looking a bit droughty at the moment, but yeah. And that's all ready for a nice cottage garden. That's the plan. On a woodshed, a jacuzzi, and a hovercraft station. Wow, that was beautiful. Look at that. Sun's in the sky. Sunlight in the sky. Not far off, bats coming out as well. It's that beautiful witching hour. Burn pile, not the right time. I don't know if anybody out there knows, but there's a couple of nasty wildfires out around Wales at the moment, so don't burn anything, alright? Nothing outdoors. But between the scorch and that's Tawny Owl Alley. Of an evening, a tawny owl runs down there, swoops across, drops into that oak tree, and then drops across to the sycamore in the background. So I'll open them up a little bit, but golden rule, don't go upsetting a tawny owl. So while my dehumidifier is doing its dehumidifying, what better time than to be a true Welshman. cup of tea. So, while I'm having a cup of tea, I think I'll give you some background. I moved here, I don't know, about 2 months, 2 or 3 months ago. I was going to vlog the whole thing, but it was just too chaotic. One man flying solo, you know, it's rare to have a spare hand. But yeah, hopefully I'll spend a bit of time catching up and informing. As I say, this garden was, well, it was pretty much like making hay when I cut it all down. Trimmed to the ground, trimmed back a few trees. As we all know about the UK heat waves, so I have actually spent probably more time at the beach than I have checking out the cottage. But you know, make hay while the sun shines. So keep mentioning hay, must be in the air. Hay fever. But we'll be yeah, investigating sorting the cottage out as winter comes in, I suppose. Because right now it's too beautiful not to be sat out enjoying this absolute peace. Listen. It's a faint drone of a tractor. Some kids there's a campsite over the way. I think they're expending their last energy before they get some rest, some holidays. It's beautiful around here. Amazing. What will I be bringing? Just day-to-day life. And I like to get out and about and see sunrises and sunsets, so they'll be cropping up on the channel. I'll make a bit of music, but we'll see if I expand on that. And story time. We'll see how it progresses. So I run on Dimplex Quantum storage heaters, which apparently are really good. Got plenty of those. 6 at the last count. I don't think they've multiplied while I've been away the last couple of days. 2 log burners, which put out enough heat to make steel. Birds. I love nature, and it's been amazing so far. So I hope to keep you updated on that. Get a bird feeding station because we get firecrests, tawny owls, barn owls nesting up in the farm. All the usual suspects. Dunnocks, great tits, jays, God, what else? They'll come to me. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my cup of tea. And let the sun drift out. Maybe some night skies. I don't know what the deal is with capturing night skies. I've got one of those DJI Osmo Pocket 4s, which is really easy to use, but I don't know if I've got all of, you know, it can be as simple or as difficult as you like, and it seems to me that I like to keep it simple, but you can really do some stuff with this. I did try filming the eclipse yesterday, which might turn up, but it was very chaotic. I went to the quietest place in town, stood there on my own, and then, yeah, 10 minutes in, there were people everywhere. It's kind of restricted my movement a bit. But that might turn up on. We'll see. But for now, welcome aboard. Here comes the back.